Hello everyone. We are in our closet today because it is in dire need of some reorganization.
Yeah, it's been 8 months since we moved in here, and as you can tell by this massive pile in the center, we have not unpacked it. But there's so much potential here. We have a lot of space, and I really have to resist turning this into like just a giant junk room.
Yeah, no, I definitely don't want to. I thought you were going to say like a technology room or something.
Yeah, because we don't need all of this space for our clothes. We actually kind of want to like get rid of our clothes even more.
We simultaneously have the issue of not needing this much space, but also wanting to utilize it in a way that's sufficient for the rest of our house. I feel like you're pointing the camera like at the ceiling.
Well, because I have to admit, the rest of our house is already filling up pretty fast. But let's give you guys a little tour of how things are now before we get going.
So first, the center island. This is where all of our medicines and toiletries ended up. It's literally like precarious.
I have almost knocked it off and barely caught it multiple times.
Yeah, me too. Why do we leave it here? I don't know. Excitement? Danger?
If it were me, I'd just be putting all of this stuff into random drawers or random shelves. That's my instinct, honestly.
We did a lot of that.
Yeah.
As you can see. We'll put random stuff in random shelves.
Our wig collection? Evan's wig collection, honestly.
Yeah, honestly.
Katelyn's are put away in like...
No, mine is here.
Stylish. Hello.
Evan is more of the mindset of just put everything away so you don't see it and we'll deal with it later. And I'm more of the mindset of if we just immediately put everything away, we'll forget about it and we'll never deal with it. And so to motivate myself to put things away properly and go through things and get rid of things we don't need, I put it in a place where I know it will bother me.
And it has been bothering us for a while.
For 8 months.
Yeah.
So most of these, well, you have a few things in here. A lot of these drawers are empty. We also have like our old dressers over in our bedroom that we want to consolidate over here. Most of these shelves are just being used for a random combination of like travel things, bags, technology. So we have my clothes over here, a merging of our collective clothes with some science robes and like random costume bits from videos. Evan's clothes over here. We have the infamous underwear organizer.
Infamous? Well, I was gonna go like, like not show it. I was just gonna go like this.
I just think, I think it's kind of a clever solution, but it has like, so it's one of those over-the-door organizers that people put like small things in. That's where Evan's underwear is. Except like some of the things we tried.
Well, what else can we show?
I know something.
Oh, the most special feature ever?
Juby's tent.
Juby's favorite place.
Anytime people ask, like when we're streaming, where's Jube? Where's Jube? She's here. This is her nest. She comes back here. She loves it. She heckin' loves it. It's cozy, it's quiet. This is her favorite room in the house because it's kind of tucked away. And when she can just be in a tent, she's happy. We got her little fishy back here with her. I'm surprised she's not in here right now.
I honestly expected her to be in there, like you'd reveal her.
We'll refilm it, add her in post.
Dumb human. I nap on my Helix sleep mattress. The sponsor of today's video.
Helix Sleep makes premium mattresses and bedding that are custom fit for your needs based on their sleep quiz.
We wanted an all-around crowd pleaser since our Helix was for our guest room, and we often invite crowds over to sleep here.
We also got the Glaciotex cooling cover because we come from families of sweaty sleepers.
The Helix Sleep mattress was conveniently delivered to our door and provided minutes of quality entertainment to my husband while unboxing.
Whoa! We've had ours for a few months now and can confirm it is very comfy and supportive. We hadn't fully realized how uncomfy our old mattress was until we replaced it.
Much better.
You can get a 100-night sleep trial plus a 10-year warranty, and there are flexible payment plans and financing options.
We love our Helix, so if you're looking for a new bed, click the link below or go to helixsleep.com/EvanKatelyn for up to $200 off your Helix Sleep mattress plus 2 free pillows.
game plan do we have?
Not much.
Here's what I think. Priority 1, I think let's first figure out the things that belong in the closet and get those organized in the most optimal way. Our clothes, I think after we have those figured out, then I think we can take a look at the best things to put in these shelves. Because right now, like, I feel like technology doesn't make sense. We have technology stored in like 5 other rooms of this house right now. We're gonna consolidate that.
I think that honestly, like, a big part of this is just gonna be moving things from one place to another place so that it's more optimal. It's been 6 days.
And we've done nothing.
Well, we filmed the intro and then we got busy with other work, and you know, it's intimidating to start a big project like this. So we're gonna start with something simple. We're gonna clear the top of whatever this is.
Yep.
Wow, that was so easy. It only took about 15 minutes. Why did we put that off for so long?
Well, we put it off because everything is currently sitting on the bathroom floor. The exact same stuff that was up here. We've not put it up yet.
The only thing that really got put up and dealt with was all of my dirty clothes that were exposed when we removed all the junk that was surrounding it.
One step at a time. We will now go deal with that stuff. We will put it in cabinets, and then we'll figure out the next thing. Ain't they right, Julie? Oh, where'd you go?
She got bored of us.
Wow. Oh, do you want me to say it?
I thought you had words in mind.
So that was a little bit of a bathroom organization detour. I think it's time for us to move back to the closet.
Well, it's bedtime. It's been
Bedtime.
hours. It's been hours of organization. We will see you in a week or so for our next session. Bye.
Probably true. So it's been 4 months, but we are back on the closet organization. Next, we're gonna tackle going through our clothes, deciding what we need, what do we not need anymore, like, you know, stuff from college or like our old work clothes.
I mean, I haven't used it in 5 years, but it's fire resistant.
I mean, that is a good thing. I actually think you should keep that.
I mean, I think we should just like use it for like painting. Use it for like anything dirty. Just like start using it and not like, you know, like saving it for a special fireproof occasion. But also it's like, how many jackets do I need? These are so dusty, Katelyn. Look at how much dust.
That shows how long it's been since you wore them.
Look, there's so much dust.
That's disgusting.
It's so bad. We don't need all of this. I don't think I need.
You might need that.
I might need this. You're right.
Honestly, like costumey related things we use for skits and stuff, and that's more useful than work clothes. Like, you know, yeah, like that.
Yeah.
Or like, how many button-up blouses do I need?
I mean, those look cute on you, but you don't wear them much.
Yeah, but do I need all of them? No, I refuse to go back to an office. Never again.
I think we should like try on a few of these at least. Thank them for the service that they have brought us over their years of life.
Okay.
And then figure out where they need to go.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do some of that.
Choose your character.
Graphic designer Katelyn, secretly thinking your request is unreasonable. Bachelorette party Katelyn, how did she walk in those heels? Emo Katelyn, showing her true colors.
Engineer Evan, always ready to measure and design. Vacation Evan, with an infinite number of pockets for supplies. Fancy Evan, ready to attend a wedding or a date with Katelyn.
Oh my God! Wow!
So I think if we went through every single outfit, it might take a while. So instead, let's just see how big we can make our donation pile.
I'm pretty proud proud of these donate piles.
Yeah, I mean, it only took us 10 days to get this all together.
Okay, it took us we did most of it in 2 days. And the other 8 days we're procrastinating on the last 5%.
Yeah, but it's a lot. You know, it's nice to be able to, you know, move these clothes to a better place where they'll be used, because we are not using them, and I'm not going to miss them.
Me neither.
Yeah.
Now, I think I'd be down to move onto these shelves as the next, point of focus.
Yeah, we don't need all of the storage for our clothes.
No, we have way too much storage in this closet. So we were brainstorming, what else could we store in here? And we figured, since they're open shelves, we might as well store some pretty stuff that is currently stored away behind clothes cabinets, aka our extra decor items.
Yeah, and I can probably put some of my uglier things
in the clothes cabinet.
in the clothes cabinet.
Keep the wigs out though. I like the wigs.
Okay, cool. I'll do that. It only took 6 months, but we're done!
We're
Yay!
done!
It looks so much better in here. I feel better in here.
So much more functional.
I think my favorite thing is that the center island is now free. That plant may not stay there.
You don't like the plant?
No, I love the plant, but we usually use it for I don't know, piling stuff on there.
That's the point. I don't want to pile stuff on there anymore. I really like how the shelves have been redone. I still get to keep my bag of bags that I use while packing, and little miscellaneous stuff like masks.
We did other little hacks.
Oh yeah, I got noodles in my boots, y'all.
And I'm just so happy that we still have room to grow. I think that one of the best things about this house is that it's a little bit oversized for what we need, because we thought our last house was okay, and then it just got really, really way too full. So
yeah.
It's nice having a little bit of wiggle room. We moved some of these boxes up here. They're for all the lights that are all around our house. We're never gonna use these until we move. So this is a good out-of-the-way place for them. Plus we have some sentimental stuff.
Yeah, that's my art books right there.
Yeah. And then, our growing wig collection, of course, as everyone has.
We moved all of the costume stuff in here. It was in a hall closet next to our streaming room. And now, so there's bow and arrow. But we have our muscle suit, our granny wig. We have so many little costume bits, as well as some hanging ones over in this section right here. That's where our science robes are.
And there's just labels everywhere. Labels here, labels down here, just labels everywhere.
And you guys didn't see too much of this in the video, but we even organized our drawers some, got the jeans. We did the vertically folded shirts so that you can see them all.
Just don't show them my side. I didn't do that as much.
You guys, thanks for hanging out with us while we reorganized our closet. We really appreciated your company. You really motivated us.
You guys really did, because it's only now that we're starting to take more personal time, but we started this because we could justify it to ourselves, okay, we're gonna make a video about it.
Exactly. So thank you guys.
Literally, thank you guys
for helping us organize.
Hope you enjoyed this disjointed journey, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye. Boop.
And yes, we did keep Juby's nest. I don't think she's back here. Oh, she is?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, hi.
Juby, I hope you enjoy this makeover too.
Yeah, are you glad we kept your nest?
Too much light.
Yeah, she's cover me.
Boop.